Welcome to my weight loss journey. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for spending some time with me today. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Chris. I vlog on this channel with my husband and our 6 kids. And this year I'm actually chronicling my weight loss journey here on the channel. We are a vegan family and we show you guys how to live a balanced life as a vegan family. So hit that subscribe button if this sounds like something you would want to be a part of. This year I'm also chronicling my weight loss journey on the channel. That's our 1-year-old. So if that sounds like something you would want to follow along with, go ahead and subscribe as well. And make sure you hit that like button if you're excited about seeing another What I Eat in a Day. This was requested by Levansha. Hey girl, I got another one for you. Okay, so I already... He says, hey girl. Okay, so as the title said, I am going to be showing you guys the 5 things that I eat every single day that has been helping me on my weight loss journey, helping me lose weight very rapidly. If you stay tuned, you'll get to see the details about how much of each thing I eat and how that works. But those 5 things are coconut water, bananas, kale, avocado, and alkaline water. I am losing weight faster than I've ever lost weight before, and I'm still getting to enjoy the foods that I like to eat. And eating this way has curbed my sweet tooth like crazy. If you guys have watched for a long time, you know I love ice cream, I love cakes, I love cookies, but I have not had ice cream, cake, or cookies in about 2 weeks, and I have not had much of an urge for it at all. So when I do have an urge, I know that I'll eventually, you know, vlog for you guys and tell you like what it is that I'm having. But for right now, I'm really more feeling savory things, and yeah, I'm loving how I feel every day. And let's get into this What I Ate Today video. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I had for breakfast, which was soup, my kale soup. This is my husband over here. He is the prep master. These are cherry tomatoes, celery, red onions, and white mushrooms. And then over here we have the kale, and then we're also gonna put some garbanzo beans in there, and that is the base for the soup.
So I just basically took everything that I cut up. I got kale, tomatoes, the mushrooms, celery, onions, and then garbanzo beans at the top, and some water, some spring water. Okay, so this is super simple. Now that it's all blended up, all that we're gonna do is pour it into a saucepan, and now we're just gonna let that simmer for about 20 minutes. Okay, so once the soup, the base of the soup is done, we then add all the ingredients that we first added in their whole state, so not blended or anything. So we've got kale, we've got red onions, we've got garbanzo beans, then we've got some lentils and some shell pasta. You're gonna mix everything together, and when I tell you guys, this tastes so amazing. And of course, go in with whatever seasonings you best see fit, and of course, pink Himalayan sea salt as always. And this is what the soup looks like when it is all done. Gonna get this in my bowl and get this in my belly. Delicious, healthy, hearty kale soup. And now I'm gonna just decorate it up. That might be weird, but I like decorating it with some fresh tomatoes, and I like adding some avocados to it to help it taste even fattier and yummier. And let me do the taste test. I'm gonna make sure I get a little piece of avocado in there. I know that's weird that I have avocado in soup, but that is a soup. Tag me with hashtag Lose It With Cris on Instagram if you make the soup. Let me know how it turns out for you. This is absolutely delicious. Nice work, buddy. Definitely try that soup. It's, oh my gosh, so delicious. It's a super rainy day in Georgia, as you can see. So it's actually a perfect day for soup. Okay, my husband wanted to give you guys a quick little tip. You're still working on your seasoning game. You can add some better than bouillon, just a little bit, not too much. And it'll, you know, boost up the flavor for all the vegetables that are in the soup.
Excellent tip.
That's all I got.
How is it?
It's amazing, man.
Nice work, buddy. Nice work.
A lot of body to the soup.
Yeah, yeah. I love a nice thick soup, man. Now, something I really like about the avocado in this The avocado, because of the omega-3 fatty acids, it makes it taste like there's chunks of salmon in it. So it's almost like you're having like a salmon soup. It's so delicious, guys. You have to try this. If you have not yet tried avocado in your soup, I highly recommend it. If you are vegan and you're ever craving salmon or seafood soup, put avocado in there. It is a game changer. Try it and tell me that doesn't just change your life. So that's what I had for breakfast, and then after that I had a banana and a little bit of peanut butter. The peanut butter was not very good, I'm not gonna lie. So I just stopped eating it halfway through, but the banana was good. It was an organic banana from Whole Foods. They're the best. Okay, now it's snack time, and here is my savory treat for the day. Today I'm just having some chips, salsa, and homemade guacamole. And these are the chips I'm having. I just tried them for the first time. They are Bean Fields bean chip in the nacho flavor. They have 4 grams of fiber. It is vegan, so that's great, and it's gluten-free. The honest truth about these chips is I think they taste weird, but I like them. So do with that what you will. I'm gonna put some guacamole next to these chips and enjoy my little snack. And oh, also, this is definitely one of my secret weapons for how I was able to lose 11.6 pounds in about 14 days, 15 days. So yeah, if you have not tried Harmless Harvest, make sure you go out and get it because it is bomb.com. This entire bottle is only 240 calories. So if you're counting your calories, just know that this is not gonna like kill your calorie bank, which I love that about it. And I never, of course, drink the whole thing. I just drink about a cup at a time, so 8 ounces, which is only 60 calories. Electrolytes, get your electrolytes in. All right, so let me sit down and have my snack, and I will check in with you guys when it's dinner time, where I might actually have my soup again. So not the most exciting day, but these are the things that I've been doing to help me successfully lose weight in the past 2 weeks. And yeah, I've pretty much been eating sort of the same stuff: kale, coconut water, beans, bananas, avocado, rinse and repeat. I've been making sure I drink my water. This is the water that I've been having. It's called Life Water. It is highly alkaline water. It has an alkaline level of 98,000. I don't know how high it is, but it's really good water. Yeah, for right now, let me get my snack in and I will check in with you guys at dinner time. Cheers. It is now dinner time. While my soup is warming up, because I actually am having soup again as my second meal or my final meal for the day. While that's warming up, I'm just having some pear slices, and then I will have my soup. This soup, I think, is my magic soup that is helping me curb my sweet tooth. It's helping me shrink in my waistline. It's helping me put up numbers on that scale every single day. It's definitely giving me results. So try that recipe. Let me know how it goes for you. My sister has already lost like 11 pounds in her first week. Okay, so I'm just saying it's good. I'm gonna finish my pears, and then I'll show you guys my soup. Okay, so this is the aforementioned kale soup. I'm about to go to town on this. I don't know if you guys have ever made vegan tuna, but we make it using garbanzo beans, and the garbanzo beans that are in the base of the soup give it a really fishy flavor too. My sister was like, oh my gosh, this house smells like you're making like Granny's fish broth, which was one of my grandmother's famous recipes from back when we were growing up in Trinidad, and it sort of has like a seafood flavor to it, and then the chunks of salmon just makes it feel, sorry, the chunks of avocado make it feel like there's chunks of salmon in there.
What?
My husband. How good was that soup though?
Amazing. I wish I had another bowl, but I didn't make enough.
Yeah, he didn't make enough of it. Anyway, so yeah, I'm about to have my soup, and then I think that is it for the day, because like I said, my sweet tooth is virtually gone. I just had a couple pears and I'm pretty good. I just had a couple pears and I'm pretty good. Don't be scared away by the greenness of it. It's so good. Everything in it is whole foods, plant-based deliciousness. You have to try this. If you can find like chickpea pasta or lentil pasta or something, that would probably be a much healthier option than the shells.
It was leftover.
It was just leftover shells from a different meal earlier in the week. And of course, I'm having my water. This is my last quart of water that I'm having here. I have been drinking alkaline water, as I showed you guys. I've been drinking this brand of water. I don't know, maybe that's making a huge difference as well. My sister bought a bunch of them, and so she had extra, and so I've been using out of that water. Yeah, maybe that's making a difference. I don't really know. I am thinking I might have a mango smoothie. This is our current fruit situation on the counter right now. My husband's actually making me a mango smoothie. But yeah, we keep fruit where the kids can easily see them, so they can grab it at any point during the day. They love fruit. And yeah, make sure you keep fruit where your family can actually see it, and it'll entice them to want more. Keep your fruit in sight. Keep your snacks out of sight. Anyway, so this is my mango celery smoothie. It has mango, water, celery, hemp seeds, and a touch of agave. This is my last meal for the day, and that's basically it. So my meals for the day, I had my kale soup, then I had 2 bananas with a little bit of peanut butter, then I had some coconut water for my snack along with my bean chips and guacamole and salsa, and then my last meal was the soup again, and then finally I had my mango celery smoothie, and that was it for the day. I am stuffed. When I tell you I am so stuffed, I do not have much of a sweet tooth anymore. So yeah, anyway, that is it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Oh, if you guys want to see what my husband eats in a day, make sure you leave a comment below. I already have a video for that. If you guys want me to upload it sooner rather than later, I can do that. Anything else?
Another thing, if you've been using our kale green recipe, then you will be used to the kales that are in the soup. So like Chris said, don't be scared of the green in the soup.
Gotta eat your greens.
Gotta eat your greens.
Drink your greens.
Especially that kale.
That's it. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. This is Spelt Bread on this weight loss journey. It has been honestly one of the most rewarding weight loss journeys because I'm not counting calories. I'm not exercising like crazy. I'm just walking, but I'm getting results. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, follow along on the journey, get on the journey with me. I'm going to be going into specifics about every single thing that I'm doing that's giving me results. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Don't forget to leave a comment if you want to see what my husband eats in a day. Bye guys.
Bye guys.
One more kale soup. Is it good? What 1-year-old you know out here drinking kale soup? You love the kale soup? Mmm.